Today I have a Nissan Frontier, and I'm going to show you how to operate the headlights. I'm going to show you how to turn on the headlights, turn off the headlights, how to turn on the auto feature on the headlights, as well as the parking lights and the fog lights. And not only that, I'm also going to show you how to turn on the high beam headlights or the bright headlights, whatever you want to call them. And as added bonus, I'm going to show you how to dim the instrument panel as well as brighten the instrument panel so you can see that a little bit better. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Now, let's go ahead and get started. So I am behind the steering wheel of the Nissan Frontier. In order to turn on the headlights, okay, my vehicle is in park and it's running right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look through the steering wheel, and you'll see this switch over here, this knob over here. This is the knob for the headlight controls. Currently, it is in off, and the way that you can tell this is because this dot right here is lined up with the off. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to turn it on. If you want to turn it on manually, you'll take this knob and turn it all the way to where that headlight is lined up with that. And now the headlights are on. Now, if you want just the parking lights, I have the parking light lined up with that dot right there. Now, these are the parking lights. Now, if I want the fog lights, if you look right here, there is a knob right here. It is currently on off, and you look right there, that is the icon for the fog lights. If I turn this once and have it lined up right there, the fog lights are on. All right, you have the fog lights on, but they're only turn on. Make sure your headlights are on when you have that. Okay, now if I want to turn them off, I will go ahead and turn that off. Now, if I want automatic headlights on, what I will do is I will take this knob, make sure the auto is lined up with that dot. And when the auto headlights are on, the vehicle will automatically detect when the headlights are needed and it will turn on. Generally speaking, the daytime, they will automatically turn on. Or excuse me, the nighttime, they will automatically turn on. And at daytime, they won't be on, okay? So there's other situations where they will be on. Say, for instance, you go into a dark garage or tunnel and it is in the auto setting, they will automatically turn on. Now let's go to the high beam headlights or the high beam headlights. In order to turn them on, I'm going to go ahead and switch this to the headlights being on. If I want the high beam headlights on, I can pull this and they stay on temporarily, and you're wondering why. That is because they are flashing on. Okay, when I release it, it turns off. Now, if I want the headlights or the high beam headlights to stay on in the manual headlight on feature, I'll take this lever and push it away from me. And you'll see on the instrument panel that blue light that's indicative of the high beam headlights. When that is on right here and I'm in the on setting, the high beams are on. Now, if I want to turn them off, I will take this lever and I'll pull it towards me, and the high beam headlights turn off, but the headlights are still on. Okay, now I can go ahead and switch this to right here. There's the parking lights. Now the auto headlights are on. All right, I can flash the high beam. I can push this and they will automatically turn on the high beam headlights when it is in the auto feature right here. Now, to turn them off completely, I'll take this knob and make sure that the off is lined up with the dot and off like that. Now, for the added bonus, I'm showing you how to illuminate the instrument panel and dim the instrument panel. And you do that by coming over here, and you see this button right here. This is the icon for the instrument panel. I can dim it by pressing the minus, and it will take the brightness down low. And if I want to have it brighter, I'll press the plus, and it'll make it brighter. And it shows you on the instrument panel, if I press plus, it shows that the bright is going up to make the instrument panel brighter, and it beeped like that to show me that I made it to the maximum brightness. Or if I press the minus, right there. It makes it dimmer just like that. I hope this video has been helpful. Please read your owner's manual so you know exactly how to do it on your particular Nissan Frontier. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.